Most people spend weeks trying to figure out which AI tools are actually worth their time and end up using exactly one: ChatGPT. That's it. Meanwhile, there are free tools sitting right now that can edit your videos, generate production quality images, write and debug code, and summarize a 200-page PDF in under 30 seconds. You just don't know they exist yet. This video is for you if you're new to AI, or you've dabbled but you're not sure what's actually useful beyond the obvious stuff. By the end of the next 7 minutes, you'll have a short list of 5 genuinely free tools. You'll know exactly what each one does well, and more importantly, what it does badly, so you don't waste your afternoon on the wrong one. Let's start with the one that should probably be your main AI writing and reasoning tool, and it's not ChatGPT. Claude, made by Anthropic, has a free tier at Claude.ai that gives you access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Here's why that matters. In independent benchmark testing on tasks like reading comprehension, coding, and multi-step reasoning, Claude 3.5 Sonnet consistently scores at or above GPT-4o. The free version lets you upload files, PDFs, Word docs, spreadsheets, and ask questions about them directly. So if you've got a 50-page research paper, drop it in and ask, summarize the 3 main arguments and flag any claims that seem unsupported. It'll do it in about 10 seconds. The limitation? Claude's free tier has a usage cap that resets daily. Heavy users will hit it. But for a beginner doing a few tasks a day, you won't run into it. Use Claude for anything involving long-form text, drafting, editing, analysis, or structured thinking. Next, research. And this is where most people are still doing it the hard way. Perplexity AI, at perplexity.ai, is a free AI-powered search engine that doesn't just answer your question, it cites its sources inline, like footnotes in a research paper. You type a question, and you get a synthesized answer with numbered references you can click and verify. That's genuinely different from ChatGPT, which can hallucinate sources that don't exist. Try this. Go to perplexity.ai, type, "What are the differences between supervised and unsupervised machine learning?" with real examples. You'll get a clear, sourced answer in about 5 seconds, with links to actual articles. No account needed to start. For students, researchers, or anyone who needs to verify their information, Perplexity is the tool. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write, use Perplexity to research. Now let's talk about something visual. Specifically, images. Leonardo AI, at leonardo.ai, has a free tier that gives you 150 tokens per day, which works out to roughly 30 high-quality image generations. The interface is more beginner-friendly than Mid-Journey. You don't need Discord, you don't need a subscription to start, and there's a prompt builder that helps you construct detailed descriptions if you're not sure what to type. For example, type, "A minimalist flat design icon of a robot reading a book, pastel color palette, white background, vector style." Within about 15 seconds you've got 4 variations. You can use these for YouTube thumbnails, blog graphics, social media posts, anything where you need original visuals but don't have a design budget. The catch, the free tier watermarks images at larger sizes, and token allocation resets every 24 hours. Still, for a beginner, 30 images a day is plenty. Moving on, presentations. This one surprises people. Gamma, at gamma.app, lets you generate a full presentation from a single text prompt. Free tier gives you 400 credits on sign-up, and creating a new deck costs about 40 credits, so you get roughly 10 presentations before you need to think about upgrading. Type something like, "Create a 10-slide presentation explaining how large language models work," for an audience with no technical background. Gamma writes the content, chooses a layout, adds relevant imagery, and formats the whole thing in under a minute. It's not perfect, you'll want to edit the slides after, but it gives you a solid first draft in 60 seconds instead of starting from a blank PowerPoint. For teachers, students, or anyone who pitches ideas regularly, this is a real time saver. Last one, and it's the wildcard, AI video tools. Specifically, Runway ML. Runway, at runwayml.com, offers a free tier with 125 credits per month. Their Gen 3 Alpha model can take a text prompt or a still image and generate a short video clip up to 5 seconds. That sounds small, but it's enough for an intro animation, a background loop, or a product visualization. Type a slow motion aerial shot of a neon city at night, cinematic, 4K style, and you'll get a surprisingly usable clip. Now, 3 things to take away right now. 1. Use Claude for writing, editing, and document analysis. It handles long context better than most free tools. 2. Use Perplexity anytime you need sourced, verifiable information. Don't trust AI that doesn't cite its claims. 3. Leonardo, Gamma, and Runway cover images, slides, and video respectively, all free to start, no credit card required. Here's my question for you, drop it in the comments. Which of these 5 tools are you going to try first, and what are you planning to use it for? I'm genuinely curious, because the use cases people come up with always surprise me. If you found this useful, subscribe. It's the best way to catch the next video, which is going to cover free AI coding tools specifically, including one that writes, runs, and debugs code inside your browser without any setup at all.